Hi guys, Dinosaur Train. I showed you this in one of my previous videos, the kit that this comes from. There's 4 or 5 trucks and plastic track. And it does work. It's very slow, so I thought I would take it apart just see if there's anything to clean inside. A couple of AAA batteries in the battery pack here, and we've got 4 screws. Right, those screws at the front are longer than the screws at the back. You need to remember that when we put it back together. Okay, wheels fell off. Let's open it up that way. Oh well, we can't get much simpler than that. The wheels, these ones just freewheel and they sit in a slot. A little bit of dust there, not a lot. Bit of fluff. I see a little bit of dust in the back there. I could clean that out. Doesn't look like anything's really jamming it though. I'll get a brush to brush that out the way in a minute. So a nice little flat electric motor, worm gear, reduction gear, will that pop out of place? Yeah, just lift out nicely. Yeah, just a straight reduction gear there. That little circuit board, it's got a couple of resistors on it. No, they're not, they're inductors. Oh, that'll be to reduce the interference, and then the on-off switch. Doesn't look like I can lift that out easily because that's melted into position, so we can't lift that out. And then the actual drive here, that's a sort of spring-loaded clutch effect. So that if you do push it along, it could probably freewheel rather than damaging the gears, because you can't turn a worm gear by turning that gear. So if the child forces it along without that clutch mechanism there, it would actually break those gears. And then we got sort of rubbery tyres on these drive wheels, but there's no big lumps of hair or dust or anything in there to slow it down. I think the main reason it doesn't go very fast is because these wheels don't grip very well. They've probably deteriorated a bit over the years, and they're probably either worn down or a bit hard and not gripping very well. But no easy fix. Put that back in, that way around. Oh. Are the wires underneath or on top? Oh dear, I can't remember now. Right, played the video back, I can see they were all nicely tucked underneath, so that's what I've done with them. Right, well, we'll put it back together. Just sit in there like that. That one sits in there like that. That goes on top. Still works. In the original video I had thought there might have been LEDs in the lights there to make it pretty, but obviously there isn't. We would have seen them when we had it apart. So that's it. No dramatic big hairball or anything in there that we could pull out and increase the speed. I think the main problem is just the design of the track. It's got a ridge in the middle of the track, and where it goes over the joins between the track, if the track isn't perfectly flat, that little ridge sticks up and catches on the base of here, and that lifts the wheels off the ground and they don't grip, so it jams when it goes round or goes across any of the joins. Just show you the batteries. Come on. So that's all we've got in there. 2 AA's. So 3 volts. Yes, you could put a small LiPo battery in there if you really wanted to and make it go faster, but I'm not going to. This is what I mean with the track. You've got this central ridge that if you haven't got these clipped down properly, or if you're going over uneven ground, that sticks up enough to catch under the front of the train and slows it down. Yeah, jamming there. That was right on the join. In the original video I put some weight on the front to hold the nose down to improve the grip. Yeah, that was it. So I've got a choice. I can either put more weight on the front there or try and make those wheels bigger, and I'm not going to do that. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.